good full elevator today on the 7th of September 2023. This is Väinämöisenkatu. Väinämöisenkatu 11 staircase, and we've just built the staircase here, so you can watch that one as well. This was built by Stigler in 1932, so 19 years old in 2022. Modernized in 1998 by Kone with the early evergreen pictures. Modernization is turning 25 years old this year in 2023, and serial number is 33515. So the base spectator this year, 2024. And let's take the rush here, as this glazed in the doors, but the inner doors could have had also the gated pattern on them.
Yeah.
But somebody's
Yeah, but...
Yeah. I love the smell in here.
Same.
Yes, I love usually on the top floor.
Yeah. Niistä teet paikki vai? Täältä meidän teet paikka Kone.
You can press. I also like the sounds in here, but I think Stage 3 has a different machine, so
Yeah.
it was even better. The machine here is the typical one.
Yeah.
The Stage 3 has a different, so that's why they are a bit different.